So finally, what you have to do is you need to make sure that this app looks good, is user-friendly, is accessible, that everything is clearly marked and labelled, and all the explanations. Maybe you want to add some more text to make it really clear what's happening. At the moment, this page, for example, the image detect page, it simply says take photo, and then there's an image there. Maybe you could have some descriptive text explaining what this page is doing. Remember, these are the points you're getting marked on. Simply having the app there that's already been produced through the tutorial is not enough to generate the marks. So one of the things you're going to do is you're going to actually change some icons at the top. So this tutorial is how to change the icons in your navigation. So you can see I've actually done one here, this camera one here. I'm going to show you how I did that. So on the image detect page, so we go to the navigator, go to the image detect page. What we can see here is we have active tab icon, and this points to a website called icons8.com. So we're going to go there. So we're going to open a new tab and we're going to go to icons8.com. And you're going to have to come up with ideas for icons that you think are most suitable for this. So I decided that a camera icon was suitable, so I searched for camera, and this shows me many different camera icons. When you're choosing the icons, it's more user-friendly to be consistent with the style. So if you go with black and white, or if you go with certain colors, so let's say you go with something like this, you would probably want to try and go with some of the other icons in a similar way, and to do that you would simply go to this link here, and you'll see that all of the icons have very similar styles. Okay, so we'll go back to that camera icon because we're going to use that camera icon. I'm going to show you how we get that camera icon from this website into the app. Okay, so we're going to click the download button. Now there's two ways. You can download it and then you can upload it into a system, but there's another one, that's the link, and we're going to use the link system for this. So when I click on link, we can see the full HTML that we would use if we were placing it in a website. Well, we're not placing it in a website as such, we're going to place it in an app, so we only need the red link. Okay, so only the red link. So we select that red link, not the quote marks around it, just the red link, and Control C for copy. Then we go back to our Thunkable and the active tab icon. We just select all of that and Control V to paste. And that should reload. And there we have that new icon. And you can do the same. So if you go to translate, this translate icon is another URL that you'll need to replace. And you basically do that for all of those. If you want to add any imagery within this, which is a great idea, that's absolutely fine, you can do that. To do that you would use the PNG free, and you would download, probably go to the 96, download that, and then you can upload into the app in different places in the properties section. Also, if you go to the assets tab, you can add images there, so choose a file in our downloads, and that was the camera app I just downloaded, and then you can drag those, once you've got those files in there, you can literally just drag those anywhere you want. Sorry, you can use those, you can't drag those, you can use those in the options here, okay? Okay, so that's the tutorial for that. Make sure it's as user-friendly, as accessible, and as polished as you can make it to maximize those marks.